Friends, don't let friends use bungee cords. Let's talk about how to load up a motorcycle to properly go moto camping. Let me first explain why I don't really like bungee cords. If you hit some turbulence on your ride after these things have stretched out, they can actually bounce off and unhook themselves. We've seen enough people's Instagram photos of these in someone's chain or belt. So let's talk about some better options. Personally, I've been a big fan lately of lashing straps, as they are a closed system and you can cinch them down nice and tight. Rock straps as well will cinch around the motorcycle. There are tons of motorcycle specific straps, but you want something that can bounce along the road with you. And certainly don't trust bungee nets. They're a fun last minute addition just to keep everything secure, but not something that you need as the foundation attaching your luggage. Tons of options. You can get hard cases, soft cases, leather cases, and maybe your bagger already comes with cases. This is great if you have a sissy bar. I have used it on a motorcycle like this before. It's waterproof, made by Biltwell. This thing is the big daddy of packing camping gear. This bag right here, about 40 bucks on Amazon. I actually got 2 of them, so they stack together nicely. It's definitely just a tactical kind of military themed bag. We know that the military can pack and camp very well. So this is kind of my budget option. And then inside of it, I will sometimes bring waterproof dry bags just in case. So some budget options. I'm gonna try not to make this an entire rant of why I hate bungee cords, but I am a big fan of carabiners because utilizing those tactical straps, this could be a last minute addition that clips on and you know it's got a strong hold. Here's where having these tactical loops comes into play. This one actually has a strap that can go around, and motorcycle specific systems like this saddlebag here will even have sometimes temporary straps, kind of like plates, where you can interlock this whole system together. Now we've got a pretty good base, and I can easily add the second one onto it. Or in this case, although I do not have a massive sissy bar, this is just an extra little rack, and I can connect the two together very easily. So whether you're using a more bargain friendly system like this, or some of the motorcycle gear designed specifically for it, look for something with nice points of attachment. Now I can use some of these lashing straps to just really make sure that these are secure should these little clips fail. And again, this is a closed system, unlike a bungee cord, so nothing can bounce off and go into my chain. Lastly, may as well throw the bungee net over everything. Gives me a nice space to throw some last minute items. Usually just use it for something like my hat. Speaking of, if you're ever injured in a motorcycle accident, give Law Tigers a call before your insurance company. They are America's motorcycle lawyers that specialize in getting injured motorcyclists the compensation they deserve. And 100% free, no upfront cost. Additionally, my saddlebag is filled with tools should I need them, and there is a video on that of how to make your perfect roadside toolkit. So whether you went with motorcycle specific luggage or you're balling on a budget, everything is securely fastened to your motorcycle and preferably using closed loop systems, not bungee cords that can pop off. I hope that you found this helpful. My name is Alyssa. See you in the next one.